I paid $200 for this 82 C10. Let's get this whole thing primed in one video. Let's get to it. Alright, so let's get our DA, let's throw some 80 grit sandpaper on there, and let's get to sanding. Alright, so right off the back, let's jump into it. Let's start by sanding those doors. There's really nothing much to sand. Most of the clear coat was gone. We're just trying to get a quick little sand over everything now. Alright, we got everything sanded. Now let's start masking stuff up so we can get ready to throw down that primer. Alright, we got everything masked up. This is how we're looking. Now let's go hit that primer. Let's get it mixed up in our gun and start throwing it down. But first things first, let's wipe this bad boy down with some thinner real quick just to get everything cleaned up. Alright, for the primer, we're going to be using this U-POL 4-to-1 high build primer. Alright, let's stir up our primer. Let's throw it in the gun and let's get to it. Alright, so this first time I went to go prime, I had a problem with my gun. It got clogged, so it was going down real small lines. Even after adjusting it, there was no problem. I finished this up and I cleaned it real good, and we came back and shot it again.